Alright. Let's quick Shri to the EC, to the Eastern Cape. Tina Bakaya, shedding layers. I always advise people to have good names, man. I don't think shedding layers is a name that you could stick, bruh. What do you mean your name is shedding layers? What is that? What are you? Shedding layers? What kind of a name is that, bruh? What do you think? And then you're gonna go and sing his cause, but your name is shedding layers. Look at this shit. Look what is happening, bruh. Look what is happening. That cannot be a name, bruh. I always tell niggas, don't just fuck, bruh. Don't just name yourself, bruh. You're making everything difficult. Official Nolitha. Don't shedding layers, go. And don't shedding layers, cause Nolitha. Okay, let's cook. Let's see what you got. No, Malang! Okay, let's see. Okay. 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 Dynasty's ingxaki nje. Ngathi Dynasty's ingxaki nje. Yo, what the fuck? Hey, okay. That wasn't her? That wasn't her? Oh, we might have a problem. We might have a double threat. That wasn't her? Minganguye. Yo. We might actually have a problem. What? Nolitha? Huh? I feel sorry for this beat. Cause I come to you guys. I feel sorry for this beat. Go! Niggas always trying to little boy me. Nah. Who the fuck is this? Yo, we are not locked in, people. Okay, this thing is at 119 views. For Noni? When did it drop? For Noni? Ain't no way, bruh. Nontombi. Nontombi. Did you say clock it? Impressive. Impressive. Yo, shout out to Nolitha.
Last minute mom. Bougie mom or aesthetic mom.
Nobody cares about what kind of mom it is. Nah, I'm gonna peep. I'm gonna peep on my own. She's worth listening to. What the fuck? Who's that? Who's that? We are not locked in as much as we think, though. But that's the part. This is why I love doing this. Finding people. Cause what? Nolitha nomazana. Ungamithi uze kahle. Ungayenzi londo le. God, hey!